Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the top 10 highest paying engineering jobs. Here is a list of top 10 highest paying engineering jobs. Take note of this list when you are applying for a job to earn a higher salary for your career. At first, petroleum engineering, which national average salary is 94,271 dollar per year, and educational requirement: a bachelor degree is required to work in this position. A bachelor degree in mechanical or civil engineering can make you stand in this engineering. At second, electrical engineering, which national average salary is $88,420 per year, and the educational requirement is a bachelor degree in electrical engineering or electronic engineering. At third, computer engineering, whose national average salary is $86 per annum, and educational requirement is a bachelor degree in computer engineering or electrical engineering or computer science. At fourth, aeronautical engineering, its national average salary is $99,804 per year, and the education required is a bachelor degree in required to work in this position. It's important to have an internship to gain hand-on experience and improve your chance of getting an entry level position. At 5, chemical engineering, which national average salary is $92,790 per year, and the educational requirement a bachelor degree in chemical engineering. At number 6, materials engineering, its national average salary is $90,335 per year. Its primary duties are material engineering, work with existing parts such as metal and plastic to create other material helpful for engineering to work with. The educational requirement is a bachelor degree in material engineering or engineering. At number 7, biomedical engineering, whose national average salary is $74,786 per year, and the primary duties are a biomedical engineering spends time researching and developing materials, and the educational requirement a bachelor degree in biomedical engineering or bioengineering. At number 6, nuclear engineering, which average salary is 91,156 per year, and the primitive duties are nuclear engineering create procedure to produce nuclear energy, and the education requirement a bachelor's degree is required to work in this position, but you may need a master or a PhD to get some entry level roles. At number 9, environmental engineering, whose national average salary is 79,349 per year, and the educational requirement is a bachelor degree in environmental engineering, civil or chemical engineering. At last, data engineering, whose average salary is the highest, which is $127,445 per year. The primary duty of data engineering builds the analytical infrastructure for an organization that understands a variety of coding languages. Educational requirement: a bachelor degree is required to work in the position is uh, information technology can make you stand, and the related careers are engineering manager, civil engineering, cartographer, etc. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and you will get notified for my next video. Okay, thank you.